Hello guys, I'm going to discuss with you Fpgee bullet blueprint with the current one. It has 4 sections. I will start with the first one, which is basic biomedical sciences. This area carries 10% of the test, contains huge detailed topics: physiology, biochemistry, microbiology, and immunology. Again, these are huge topics. You can spend 4 months, 5 months on these topics and they would not end. So please do not put a lot of time in this area. You need to know details, but again, this is the tricky part. You need to know how much detail you can carry for this exam. I don't want you to overwhelm in this section and lose confidence that, oh my god, it's never ending, how I'm going to finish all the rest of the sections. And then at the end, if you don't get time to review these, then your exam would suffer. So basic biomedical sciences need your time and attention, but keep in mind it carries 10% of the exam, and how much detail you should know, you need to time that too. Again, it's time is your everything for this exam. You need to know how to manage it. Second area is pharmaceutical sciences. 33% of the exam, which is a big deal. Now, I don't see any topic in this area which you can think, I can ignore that. All of these topics are very important, especially medicinal chemistry, pharmacology, toxicology, sterile and non-sterile compounding. There is no way that you won't be tested on that, of course. This area, it needs your time, your attention, all the details. Go into as much details as you can, learn as much as you can, and review this area again and again before you go take your exam. Now, next is social and administrative sciences, social behavior and administrative sciences. It carries 22% of the exam questions. Now, when you start studying for Fpgee, I would recommend start with third section first. I mean, do third section when you start your studies. It will give you some confidence. It will give you some idea what you're dealing with. This confidence, you need it. Why do you get this confidence? Because this area is easy. It's easy to remember. It's easy to understand. Everything is making sense. There is nothing technical you need to understand. Pharmacy practice management, you can also consult Menon Sharoff book question answers that can help you in preparing for that area. Again, please start with this section. This is easy. It would give a boost to your confidence. Now, the next area is clinical sciences. Again, 35% of the exam, a heavy area in this blueprint, and you need to know everything. I am not trying to scare you off, but this area needs a lot of time, a lot of attention, and again, review. I say it again and again, please review everything you study for, because if you don't review, you can skip and you might not remember when the exam day comes. So keep reviewing, keep doing practice questions while you are studying, while you're reading these sections. Clinical sciences is not only important for Fpgee, it is going to help you in your next exams, NAPLEX and MPJ, and of course when you're practicing as a pharmacist, this area would define you. Pathophysiology, pharmacokinetics, disease prevention, patient assessment. I mean, everything in this area is it needs your attention. It needs your time. If you have to spend more than 4 weeks in this area, I wouldn't mind that. You need to master clinical sciences. So give it like 5 weeks, 6 weeks, no matter how much time it takes, but get ready for this area. Again, pharmaceutical sciences might take you more than 4 weeks, which is not bad, but you need to know everything. That is everything. When I say everything, I'm actually talking about APHA book for pharmacy, for Fpgee review. You need to know everything in that book. That is the first book you need to master. You can go for other study sources, but that book is in my mind when I'm talking about these topics. Now, please time yourself. Give pharmaceutical sciences and clinical sciences more time, and social and behavior. Now, this third area should not take 2 weeks. It actually can be done in 10 days, but maximum not more than 2 weeks. Please don't give more than that. And first section is tricky. Honestly, I wish I knew how to tell you to cover physiology, biochemistry, microbiology, and immunology in 10 days. But this area should not take more than 2 weeks of your precious time. But still, give yourself time. Don't rush. Don't give yourself this feeling that you're in rush and you have to know everything in short time. That can make you nervous and things would not stick in your brain, I guess. Some people work better when they are under pressure, so everybody's different. Give yourself enough time, and best of luck. Thank you for watching.